Sir Paul McCartney, one of the most iconic musicians in history, once considered leaving the Beatles, not due to creative differences or internal feuds, but because of a deep-seated fear of public speaking. In a recently surfaced interview, McCartney admitted that his anxiety about performing in front of large crowds was so overwhelming that he seriously contemplated walking away from the band. He recalled feeling physically ill before major performances, including a nerve-wracking appearance at Wembley Stadium for an NME poll winners event. The experience left him so unsettled that he momentarily convinced himself he should quit. However, he eventually realized that he wasn't as bad as he feared and managed to push through his anxiety. Despite the immense success he has achieved, amassing an estimated $880 million over his decades-long career, McCartney often reflects on his early years as part of the world's most famous band. But while those memories are filled with both triumphs and struggles, one thing is certain: retirement is not on his agenda. For McCartney, music is more than just a career. It's a lifelong passion. He takes immense joy in performing for audiences spanning multiple generations, noting how remarkable it is to see parents, their children, and even their grandchildren at his concerts. The diverse crowd, he said, brings him a sense of deep fulfillment. During the interview, McCartney also shared a more personal side of his life, revealing how he keeps his marriage to Nancy Chevelle exciting. He explained that when they first started dating, she lived in New York while he was in East Sussex. Because of the time difference, he would often have long drives home after taking his youngest child to school, which gave him the perfect opportunity to compose music. It soon became a habit for him to call Nancy and play his latest songs for her over the phone. He would even record demos on his dictaphone and surprise her with live performances of his new tracks. When asked whether Nancy appreciated his romantic musical gestures, McCartney joked that she wouldn't have dared to say otherwise. Their love story began in 2008 with an unforgettable road trip along the legendary Route 66. Traveling in a 1989 Ford Bronco, the couple camped under the stars, accompanied only by a tent, a guitar, and each other. Looking back, McCartney described the adventure as a magical experience, admitting that while things could have gone horribly wrong, they turned out better than he could have hoped. Now, with a happy and stable marriage, McCartney's older children, Stella, Mary, and James, have expressed their joy at seeing their father so in love again. His previous marriage to Linda McCartney lasted nearly 3 decades until her tragic passing from breast cancer in 1998. He later married former model Heather Mills in 2002, but their relationship quickly soured, leading to a highly publicized divorce in 2008, which resulted in a £24 million settlement. Through all the ups and downs, McCartney remains devoted to both his family and his music. And while he once feared the stage, he now embraces it, proving that even the greatest legends can overcome their deepest insecurities.